How does wind energy work? How does it turn into electricity?
I got it! The energy in the wind turns the wind turbine 2 or 3 propeller-like blades around a rotor. The rotor is connected to the main shaft, which spins a generator to create electricity.
What is the cost to make it build, to make it maintainable? And how much does it cost when it's not even being used?
It costs around 1.3 million to build, around 3,000 to maintain, and around 8,000 when it isn't being used.
What is the cost for users in kilowatt hour?
Oh my gosh! In a normal house, it costs 11,000 kilowatt hours per year.
What's the worst case scenario that it could happen? And what's the probability?
Okay.
The workers could fall from the wind turbines and die, but the chances of that are around 7%.
How could it impact the environment?
The noise created by the rotor blades could impact, and then the death of birds and bats that run into the rotor blades could impact the environment too.
There are 7 workers at each plant.
How many people would die? And what is the death toll?
Yes.
Yeah. On average, about 93 people die per year, but animal deaths are a lot more common.
How does the community feel about it?
The community loves it because it increases local independence and reduces carbon emissions.
What are the environmental effects?
The environmental impacts are the noise, visual impacts, and bat deaths.
What kind of waste is there? And how much?
There is no actual waste from the turbine itself, but when building there is minimal carbon.
What are the effects of the workers?
Workers start to have sleeping disorders and annoyance by the sound they constantly work with.
Where can we use this energy supply? And when can we use it?
We can use it to generate electricity when it is windy.
What resources do we need to use it?
In order to have wind turbines, you need somewhere that it is windy so it will turn.
What type of infrastructure do we need to support the facility?
Roads and drainage, central equipment, and earth electrodes and systems.
What is the long-term reliability of the resource?
Over a long time, wind energy users start to save lots of money.
What is the long-term durability of the facility? And how long will it last?
Wind turbine facilities can go for 25 years without needing upgrading.